Hey guys, welcome to another video of Midnightfresian. Today I'm here with Shelby, or Alexis Sapphire Stream. And today we're going to be racing in Fairgrove. And I'm on a Shire model. A Jorvik Wild Horse. And today I'm not on a Skype call with my friends, because she can't call right now. But we're still going to do this. This horse is so fat. Oh my god. I'm surprised how fast these horses are because they're said to be like really slow. But even for a slow Shire model, they're actually really good. Oh, ignore the background noise. It happens. It's called Uno. Evil game you got. I'm really excited that I'm about to level up. Oh, Jesus Christ, I'm gonna lose. Oh. Nope. So, Alexis is on a level 14 horse, though. Oh my lord. The background noise is so freaking loud. Oh, how the wire fences are so freaking hard to see. Oh, I have some time to spare, I guess. Oh, I think Shelby should get a faster horse here. Oh, I should teach her some shortcuts, though. I'm gonna teach her some shortcuts. That'd be good. Oh, hello, cat. I did the X button like 2 times. Rip. That's all I'm gonna say with this. Okay. Let's teach us some swagger shortcuts, shall we? There we go. Okay, I'm just gonna go slow. Hopefully she'll catch on. Okay. Yeah, I'll go this speed here. Should totally get this. If I don't screw up while I'm teaching her how to do these shortcuts. Oh, that's I love that look. Come on. Oh, there we go. Great job. Please don't die. She's like, wait, what did you just do? Not finished, guys.
Because me and Dad are really competitive. We're so. I'm gonna still have tea. I get really insane.
Oh, did she just? Please don't fail. Which? Oh, okay. Oh my god, I have 3 freaking seconds. How did I miss? Oh, I had like a split second too. I think Starstable lied when they said Jorvik wild horses are slower than normal horses. Oh, are you? That's depression. Nope, I can't do that. What is this? Okay. I swear, I'm better on weekdays. Don't judge. She ought to know this part though. Oh my lord. Literally, I'm gonna just win this one, might as well. Oh, so she stops. Okay. Oh, schnozberries. Okay, there we go. Come on, Shelby, you can do it. See. Don't even. Okay, that works too. Shelby's gonna win this one though. Congrats! You won a race against me. You get one clap. And no more. Okay. Actually, I don't have the other one, so let's just go to Bear Lake. May as well. Lol, I flew on my screen. Yeah, congrats. I can't spell.
So Nana and
Well, thanks.
I was gonna say we could put the Uno thing on there so we just spin it.
So, most of the time I end up failing on camera. But when I'm alone, I swear, the concentration is excellent. It's just when I'm recording when I screw up the most. I'm literally telling the truth right now.
Do whatever fast, man.
I have issues with this race and I'm using a Shire too.
That's all it is.
Rough times. These are dark times we live in.
You have it.
Squeezing through between that fence and that barrel or whatever. Just can't do it on a Shire. Let's see if I can though. Maybe.
Do you have a blue? That's like Uno, but if you don't have friends,
Oh my god, my eyes are bothering me today. Dear Lord Shelby, rest in peace is your game. Just do it. Any minute now. Come on, Shelby. Come on. Don't be like Mo. Don't do the nibba I thought. Don't do this to me. Come on, Shelby. Don't do it. You have so much to live for.
so save that card.
Oh. Man, my camera's fucked up. Thank you. You know, the greatest thing about when I'm recording, all my friends can copy off my shortcuts and then use them against me later. That's the best thing. Oh, that failed so bad. Why do I even try? Oh, and by the way, guys, it's my birthday in literally like 2 days. Not even joking. This is the part. Oh, did you see that? I just made it. Wow. So sarcastic today.
Now see this one, I put this one down as green, right? Yeah. Okay, now everybody has to push the button once. And then it's
So high on life. I'm only high on life on this game. You don't want to know what's going on in real life. Other than a game of Uno.
Alright, now you go.
Other than that, I tell you life is not like a movie. The exact opposite.
Yeah. I got you, Nona.
Ah,
We're going this way.
did you see that? She just slid off the fence. Rip Shelby. You know, if I had an editor, oh my god, if I had an editor, I would edit that violin music. I'm pretty sure everyone knows these shortcuts though. Oh.
Stupid.
Oh man, I'm sorry, Shelby.
I got so many greens. Well, I got 2 greens, but I got this. I had no greens.
High five.
No, I think I'm gonna end this. I'm gonna end this video due to background noise.
Yeah, there's cheesecake. Lauren is begging me for some, so.
I ate those piece.
So
What are you talking about?
I'm gonna end this video due to background noise, and this video probably most likely not be uploaded. But if it does,
I had a cake.
I don't fucking know. Bye, guys.
Yeah, Lauren just like, hey, Amber, can you eat this? And I'm like, no, I'm full. She's like,